One mean hypothesis tests are going to allow us to take an average within a sample and compare it to an assumed value. For instance, we might want to show that the average weight of beavers in a certain river is a lot above the 60-pound average that National Geographic says they should have. Or we might want to show that the number of chips you get in a pack out of a vending machine is actually way less than the serving size the bag promises you. The key to mean hypothesis testing is that, first of all, we're going to recognize it because we're dealing with a quantitative variable and looking for the word average. We'll also have a standard deviation in there, and we'll need our sample size because we're going to have to find degrees of freedom. A mean hypothesis test, just like a mean confidence interval, is going to involve using the t-table to adjust for their smaller sample sizes if needed. With a one mean hypothesis test, our degrees of freedom will always be n minus 1. We'll go ahead and use the t-table later on to find our p-value. Doing that will be a little bit more complicated than using the z-table, but not much.